Now class 4th GSC and today date is 6/1/20 and 21. 6/1/2021. Now we are studying the lesson 16, clean and cleaner. Lesson 16, clean and green earth. Clean and green earth. We have studied last time about the how we can clean our earth and how soil get polluted and what we can do. You see the diagram, that is air pollution, water pollution and the land pollution. Last time we have discussed up to here, and what we can do. We have studied today. We have to study about the role of plants. Today we are going to study about the role of plants. What is the role of the plant? You know that the human beings or depends on the plants directly or indirectly. Not only human beings, but all the plants, all the animals are directly or indirectly depends on the plants. Human beings depend on plants for most of their needs, but we are thoughtlessly cutting trees to meet the demands of growing population. As a result, our environment is no longer green. Cutting down of the trees and not planting more trees has disturbed the balance of nature. Today, to fulfill the need of growing population, people cutting a large number of the plants, so destroying the plants. So the area of the plant is reducing, and this causes the imbalance in the nature. So trees are important, valuable and necessary for our existence on this beautiful planet. Trees help in reducing soil erosion. Their roots bind the soil and their leaves break the force of wind and rain and thus prevent soil. So trees reducing the soil erosion. Trees binds up the soil particles, and they also leaves also reduce the speed of the flowing water. In this way, they prevent the soil erosion. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Oxygen is vital to sustain life. This is very important thing. Plant purify the air. Plant take in harmful carbon dioxide and release oxygen gas into the atmosphere. So they purify the atmosphere. Plant use carbon dioxide during process of the photosynthesis. One hand, they utilize the carbon dioxide. On the other hand, they produce two useful things to the nature. One is food material, food, they prepare the food, and on the other hand, they producing the oxygen, which is used by us for respiration. Now, trees send out the excess water through small pores present on the surface in the form of water vapor and help in causing rain. Plant leaves having minute pores. These pores are called as the stomata. By this stomata, the plant release the water vapors and add the water into the atmosphere, and in this way they help in rain. Trees give us shade and provide habitat for birds and other wildlife. Trees give us shade and provide habitat for birds and other wildlife. Humans are cutting down trees for firewood, furniture, paper, medicines, clothes, and for constructing dams, roads, and new buildings. Thus, our planet Earth is under threat due to the deforestation. The cutting down of the trees is called deforestation. Plant, human beings cut the plant for the various purposes, for agriculture, for the construction of the dam, for the construction of the roads, for the construction of the building, etc., etc. So the cutting down plant is called as the deforestation. We know trees are vital to sustain life, so we must not cut down too many trees at one time. The time has come to save our planet Earth by making it green. So we should have to plant more and more trees and make our planet green. Let us make our earth green. So how we can make our planet green? Plant more and more trees to replace the trees that are cut. We should not waste paper. Wasting paper means cutting more trees, because you know that the paper what we are using for the writing purpose, these are made by the plants. So if we are spoiling more and more pages, more and more papers, we need more and more trees. Only fallen down branches from the trees should be used as fuel instead of cutting the whole trees. So we should not cut the whole tree for purpose of the fuels, but the fallen down branches may be used for the fuel. To create awareness about the importance of trees, Van Mahotsav is celebrated in India in the month of July for a week. This is very important, Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav. This Van Mahotsav, it is celebrated in India in the month of July for a week. Every year, lakhs of saplings of different tree species are planted throughout the country. This Van Mahotsav is celebrated at the festivals for a week, and in this month, forest department become very active, and in this month, a variety of the plants are planted in the entire country. The World Environment Day is observed on 5th June every year to promote awareness to plant trees, not to throw garbage on roads or not to spit, to make our planet clean, green and pretty. To make our planet green, clean and pretty, what we should have to do? So, not to throw garbage on roads or not to spit, to make our planet clean, green and pretty. So thank you, that's for today. Next day we will discuss about the fill in the blanks, and tick the right answer. Thank you, that's for today.